Do you want to make better YouTube videos? And I've got some tips and tricks that I want to share with you today that takes the boring stuff, chucks it out, and only leaves what's interesting, which is going to help your viewers stay engaged in your videos and get you more views. At the end of this video, I'm going to share some power tips with you that'll take your YouTube videos to the next level. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. Now I'm going to show you how to create jump cuts inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, but you can use any editing program to do jump cuts for your YouTube videos. Let's jump onto my laptop and let me show you how to make better YouTube videos. So we're going to start by zooming into our timeline so that you can see where all the spaces and gaps and pauses are. Now these are the first things that we need to remove in our edit. So we want it to be clean running audio so it's continuously interesting and engaging. So now we can go through our edits and start making cuts. And let me show you how to do your first jump cut. Okay, so look at this little pause. Most people would leave this. We're going to remove every single little pause so it's a really tight and clean edit. Okay, so I've made 3 cuts in our clip, which has removed all of the pauses. Now I'm going to show you how to make these jump cuts look like a pro. So the first one we're going to do is the start here. And what you need to do is roll your audio inside of your jump cut so that it sounds better and feels a lot more natural when you're watching it back. So let's zoom in here. So what we're going to do is grab the audio of our second clip and we're going to drag it down onto our second audio line. And then what we're going to do is grab the second clip and we're going to shift it over just to cover the audio at the end of the first clip so that our audio overlaps. Now let's watch it back. Now that's a quick and easy way to make your jump cut look a lot smoother and a lot more natural and keep your video interesting and engaging. So rolling your audio is called an L cut or a J cut. So you can see our audio track is longer than our video track. That means it's an L cut. And when your audio is shorter than your video, so your video continues longer than your audio, that's going to be a J cut. So let's head to our second jump cut with the playhead at the end of our second clip and W, and it will remove that gap. So let's do a J cut on this one. So we're going to grab our second clip, get it so it's just overlapping, and then we're going to pull our video line at the top back and extend our video line at the top. Now let's watch our J cut back. Now that's a lot smoother and looks like a really good cut. So let's do an L cut on our third. Drag the audio onto the third line, select that, bring it across, and let's play that through. Now a power tip, when your J cut has a lot of movement like that where my head is moving and it doesn't look as smooth, what you can do is change the scale of the video and hide that sudden movement. So what we're going to do is select our video and head up to motion and scale it in. So I like to go to about 115%, zoom in, and then make sure that your first cut and your second cut, your eye line is at the same level. It's going to make it look a lot better. So have a look at our eye line here. What level is that in the video? So we want to go down a bit and let's check if those two align. And that looks a lot more natural. So if your eyes stay at the same level, even if you're zooming in, it looks natural. And now you can't see that sudden change in the jump cut. And it looks really professional and it's much more engaging, which is going to help get you more views. Let's play it through one more time. And that's how you can quickly and easily make better YouTube videos with a very simple technique. If you have any questions or queries about jump cuts or the L cut or the J cut, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you're ready to get started making better YouTube videos, let us know by smashing that like button. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.